So the material that you need, let me leave our beautiful center here. All you need is a round material, and I brought a few examples here. You can use your spool of thread, a pen, so this one would make a smaller glass size, and I also brought my makeup brush, and this is the one that I'm going to use because it's a little larger and it will get to the size that I want for my toy. You need pliers. This one is a little bit better to shape the glasses. In this one, this is not a proper plier, but this is what I'll use to cut the wire, okay? And of course, the wire. This one is 1 millimeter, I guess. Yeah, it's 1 millimeter. And I chose a golden color, but you can use any color that you want, and also any size that you want. Okay? Okay, so I know I have a blue wire here now, but it looks better in the video, so you can see it better because of the background. Let's make this cute amigurumi glasses. So first things first, I will hold my brush like this and leave a piece of wire like this. And what you do is you're going to roll once and a little bit more. It doesn't need to be rolled twice, but at least 1.5. It is good enough, okay? And here it is, the first part of our glasses. You leave a space here, and you can measure, like, because this is the part that goes up in the nose of the amigurumi, so you can choose the size that you want. I'll leave a size, a piece like this. Yeah, that's what I want. And again, you roll the wire. Yeah, it's more or less what I want. I'll bend this part here and also bend this part here. And now, with the help of the plier, we reshape this middle part of the glasses. You can leave it like this, or make it more square and not this triangle if you want. It was not as squared as I wanted, but okay, you can keep reshaping it until you get to the size that you want for your glasses. Like this one that I showed you here. This one I left like a very straight line. These are the one here I wanted more curved. And I also used my brush to make the curve, like you see that the brush enters here in every part of the glass, and I also wanted it round here in the middle, so I used the brush to help. So you can make it the way that you want here in the middle. You cut the remaining piece of wire with the help of the plier. and it looks like this. And you can finish it the way that you prefer. So in my case, for example, I'll cut it here. I usually like to insert this part of the wire in the amigurumi, like between the stitches, in the holes between the stitches, so we stick the glasses in the toy. So you see I made another one now with the golden wire, and I decided to leave this triangle in the middle as I showed you before, but it's up to you if you want it round, triangle, or a straight line. I made this, but if you want, let me see, I have another example. If you want it like this to be placed in your amigurumi like this, it's another possibility. It looks like an old man and it's a nice shape. And if you see, for my snowman, for example, it's a very good size, it's a beautiful size, but this part doesn't match so much because he doesn't have ears. So I'll cut this with the help of the pliers, and it will look even prettier. And that's it.